Limiters or filters help you limit down your search by providing ERIC with more specific information about what you're looking for. On the initial basic and advanced search pages, these will appear below the search box under Search Options. After you complete a search, they will appear on the left side of the page. Let's take a look at the filters on the initial advanced search page. Scroll down to the Search Options section. Here you will see a lot of different options for limiting your search. You can change the search modes and expanders at the top of this section. I only recommend doing so if you're already very comfortable with searching ERIC. We'll be focusing on the options under Limit Your Results. First, there is a checkbox for full text and one for peer-reviewed. Full text limits your search results to only the items that have a full text PDF file or full text HTML available in the ERIC database. I recommend you don't check this, and here's why. If ERIC pulls up an article that doesn't have a full text link, there's still a good chance the article exists in one of our other databases. We even have a fancy Find Text button that makes the process of finding these articles in another database super simple. So don't check full text unless you're just in a really big rush and have to find something right now, because you might miss out on some really relevant results. I do recommend you check peer-reviewed every time you search ERIC for articles. That's because this will limit your search to only articles and journals that have a peer review process in place. This means the articles go through an extensive review process before they are published, and typically are more credible sources as a result. Journal name allows you to search by journal name. If you have a specific journal in mind, like the Journal of Educational Research, you can enter the name here to search only within that journal. The IES Funded checkbox allows you to view research that was funded by the IES, or Institution of Education Sciences grants. This falls under the U.S. Department of Education. Date published allows you to limit to a date range. You can select months or years. This is really helpful when you're looking for articles in a range, like published in the last 10 years. The ERIC number field allows you to search for ERIC document and ERIC journal numbers. This will be useful if you're looking to locate an article, but only wrote down the document number. Journal or document allows you to decide if the ERIC number you are searching is a document number or journal number. ERIC assigns document and journal numbers to different documents and journals that are included within ERIC. This usually isn't something you have to worry about unless you're trying to locate something you found on microfilm or in print. Education level allows you to limit your results to research about specific education level populations. This field can be helpful if you're getting results that don't fit the area you're looking for otherwise. Publication type lets you select if you want to view books, collected works, dissertations and theses, guides, journal articles, or other types of publications. You can select one or multiple types, or search for all types. To select multiple, hold down the Shift key while you select the types you want to search. Intended audience helps you limit to articles published specifically for administrators, community members, counselors, teachers, and other populations. What Works Clearinghouse, or WWC Reviewed, is used when you want to view research that has been reviewed by the WWC to see if the research meets its standards. The WWC is managed by the Institute of Education Sciences, which falls under the Department of Education. You can learn more about WWC at ies.ed.gov/NCEE/WWC. Language allows you to limit the results to articles and other resources written only in the languages you select. This can be helpful if you get a lot of results written in a language you can't read. Location identifiers allows you to limit to a certain location for the research to be about. This can include cities, states, countries, or regions. Sometimes it can be easier to complete a search than select locations after you see what is included in your results. Law, policy, and program identifiers allow you to limit your results to those about a specific law, policy, or program. This would be helpful if you were looking for information about something like the No Child Left Behind program. Assessment and survey identifiers let you search for specific types of assessments in research, or be more general. Here you can enter things like examinations or ACT assessment. In the next video, we'll apply these filters in an example search.